What a dumb little video I made with my friends. Well, good night. Alright, let's see how we're doing.
Oh my goodness! Who are you people?
Hey now, really quickly wanted to say I'm planning on doing a Q&A, so if you have questions for me or my friends, feel free to ask. Yeah.
Sit, boy. Okay.
Oh. Swaws! Swaws! And not swaws! Swaws!
I can feel a strain.
And not the swaws! 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 And not the man. And not the man on trial before us today. And not the swaws!
Don't worry, Genji. I said Genji.
It is clear that the Bat Devil was responsible for the fuck off, bitch.
There wasn't a scratch on this building. Oh, you motherfucker. I hate you! I hate you!
You're practically suing us right now.
One final time. Don't laugh, because then I will also laugh. Do not laugh at my preparation. It's really important to prep your voice before you do stuff. It's kind of like, you know, some people do like tongue twisters. It's like that. So no laugh. Serious business. Okay?
Bullshit. We've got evidence that...
You guys don't even use lube. You guys just like go raw. What the guac?
What the guac? Ugh. Yeah, swaws! 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 Furthermore, there was no motive whatsoever as to why Denji would destroy a building. Swaws!
Think of what life would be like. Think of what life would swaws.
Wait, I say something? Wait. Ooh. Wait. Ooh. Swaws.
I'm just coughing this time. Give me. Shut up.
Coughing,
No, you're not. Shut up. Wait, 2 seconds. I gotta clear my throat. Can you really turn into a car? That's crazy.
No, it's actually Chainsawman. I'm just Chainsawman. It's literally me.
Okay, give me 2 seconds.
Bullshit.
Kitty, hi. Kitty, hi. Oh. Hello, little kitty. Gavin. Oh, Yuri.
Oh, Kishi, what the hell are you doing?
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up. Shut up.
You know I can't read. What? I may be in art school, but a lot of people.
No.
I can think, I swear. 2 plus 2 is 5. And 5 plus 5 is 4. So, I know.
Okay, anyways.
2 plus 2. Fish.
What even is that? What even is that? Ugh. A disgusting thing.
Turn off. Kitty. Hi, Kitty. Hi, Gavin. I love you. I love you. Meow.
you know, it's an item or wait.
And we all get to go home. Fuck, I forgot my line.
Dog? Dog? Oh my god, I just stepped in shit. Fuck!
I was going to wow. Wow.
Swaws? What does swaws even mean? What does swaws even... I just don't understand what does swaws even mean. I don't get it. I don't get
Swaws.
But the man with questionable priorities. So the man is not on Denji, but the man with question... Ugh.
Wait, what? I can't read. No.
So... But the man with... And the fault is not on Denji, but the man with
Just used it in a sentence a minute ago.
questionable. But the man with But the man with Okay. But the man with questionable priorities. Swaus! 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 But the man with questionable priorities.
Exhibit A.
God, you're losing it. You're too much screaming, too much screaming.
This is my voice one day of being a femboy. This is my voice 1 week on being a femboy.
This is my voice 3 weeks on being a femboy.
Exhibit A. Denji's seen blasting through swaws.
Oh, I had the best voice crack. I'm so sad you didn't get to hear that. That was so good. Okay, wait, I'm here. Okay, no, you're not here. That's cool. That's alright. It's alright. I'll just sit here. It's fine.
Ah. Yeah, Denji. I can smell your cock from a mile away. It smells bad. So the fault is not on Denji, but the man with... Yeah! Yeah! The man! Oh yeah! But the man with...
Oh, God, no.
So the fault... So the fault is not on Denji, but the man with questionable priorities.
Then everyone.
You're not getting rid of my dog, Blondie. I can't say it in a way. You're not getting rid of my dog, Blondie. 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 You're set to do it as an insult.
Please just show whatever you have, either of you. Wait, what the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? Gabby? I'm losing Gabby. Hey, baby. You little dummy, what you scratching back there? I'll slap your nuts.
Oh, holy shit, is that Mr. 985? 985? Fuck. Is that the bite of 87?
Come! I hiccup. Come clean!
Fuck, I can't go that high without hiccuping. I don't know,
Come clean, you son of a bitch! We have mount!
Swaus! Okay. Ooh, there's pie.
I feed him? Huh? What?
if this wasn't a courtroom.
I met him yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, I was trying so hard not to say it. I heard it that time.
Yeah. I met him yesterday. One night stand.
I met him yesterday.
Come clean, you son of a bitch!
We have mountains of evidence.
Train your voice. I don't use it. I speak fast and emotionally. Yeah. Different voice. Yeah. Dry throat. Maybe that's the problem. I've been lubing up my throat this entire time. That's a problem. No more lube. We're going in dry.
I'm sorry.
I didn't mean it like that.
It's a bit.
More than one person has told me I should become a hentai voice actor. I always say no thank you, but you know what? Times are tough, inflation.
Mm-hmm.
So you know,
Wait, no,
if
don't,
anyone
don't,
out
don't
there
do
is,
inflation.
if anyone I'm trying to avoid inflation, but I'm trying to avoid the real world. Listen, inflation's not.
Do not hire her.
I'm willing to do most things. Not everything, most things. I'm kidding. Please don't actually. I would rather die. Please, I have a family. Holy shit, is that Mr. Nine? Wait.
And we'll get all. Fuck!
Exhibit C. Denji is then seen after the. Why is he smiling like that?
Then what's the second?
Bit too fruity.
That's fucked up. Then what's the second? I think I don't know how to not be fruity. Maybe I am gay.
Guys, it's so fucking Jover. Most bizarre channel 8057. He called us cringe.
Kaput! 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 Kaput!
If this wasn't a courtroom, it'd be a grave.
Kitty, hi!
If this wasn't a...
Ah, swaws! Ah!
Swaws! What does swaws even mean? What does it even mean?
Swaws!
Yeah, I do like that. And I also I won't be offended if you don't use my takes. Like I really won't. It's completely because in the end I think you have a pretty good idea of what is. In the end, I guess you're pretty funny or whatever.
Yeah!
So.
And it's on recording! It's my ringtone! I'm gonna cut out that middle part where it's like you strained and had trouble actually saying it.
You're pretty funny. You're pretty funny. You're pretty funny.